Hey, Mr. Kaczynski with you. Going to work on area and circumference of circles in section T of IXL's 8th grade math. Got 6 examples for you. Here we go. The radius of a circle is 2 centimeters. What's its area? Okay. Well, area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay. We're going to use 3.14 for pi. So this is just 3.14 times 2, that's the radius, squared, or 3.14 times 4, because 2 squared is 4. We can also grab our calculator and type this in. I'm definitely going to use that. 3.14 times 2 to the power of 2 is 12.56. 12.56, okay. .56, and that is centimeters squared. Pretty basic area problem there. They give us the radius, we figure out the area. The diameter of a circle is 8 meters. What's the circumference? Okay, this is the only other formula we need here. Circumference is pi times diameter, pi times d. So we're going to do 3.14. Oops. 3.14 times 8 this time. Even simpler formula, no squared or anything. So 3.14 times 8 is 25.12. And that is just meters. Just a linear measurement there. The distance around the circle is 25.12 meters. All right, now we're given the area of a circle to be 28.26. We're going to work backwards to figure out its diameter. Okay, here we go then. Area is pi r squared. They tell us the area is 28.26. We're going to use 3.14 for pi. And we're going to figure out the radius. Well, let's start off by dividing both sides by 3.14. So 28.26 divided by 3.14, that's 9. So 9 equals the radius squared. And then at this point, what we do is we take the square root of both sides, or you just ask yourself what number squared equals 9, and that's obviously 3. So the radius is 3, but we want to know the diameter, which is going to be twice as much, so that's going to be 6 kilometers. Okay, we figured out the radius, and once we have the radius, we can answer the actual question. The diameter is twice the radius. Looks like the same circle. It's not. No, it's not. Okay, so this time we're given circumference and we're supposed to figure out the diameter. Again, I would argue this is even easier than the last one. Circumference is pi times diameter. We're given that the circumference is 25.12. And we're going to use 3.14 for pi. So just one step to solve this equation, and that is to divide both sides by 3.14. All right, 25.12 divided by 3.14 is 8. So 8 meters. If they wanted the radius, that would be 4 meters, but they want the diameter. All right, get into some word problems here. The diameter of a circle is 7.4 centimeters. What's its area? Okay, well, again, area of a circle is pi r squared. Oops. If the diameter is 7.4, then the radius would be half of that. So that would be 3.7, correct? Yeah, 3.7. So over here, we're going to do 3.14, that's the value of pi they want us to use, times the radius, 3.7. We had to use the diameter to figure that out. Calculator time. Again, let's check real quick. 7.4 divided by 2. Yeah, that's 3.7. So we're going to do 3.14 times 3.7 squared. 42.9866. And we're being told to round to the nearest hundredth. So that would be 42.99. 42.99. What's our measurement? Centimeters, and we're figuring out area, so centimeters squared. And then this last question I like, because we're going to need both our formulas. So we're given that the circumference of a circle is that much, 12.56 kilometers. And then we got to figure out the area. So let's start with circumference. Circumference is pi times d. All right. They tell us that the circumference is 12.56. We're going to use 3.14 for pi. All right. So we will do 12.56. Oops. 12.56 divided by 3.14. That'll give us the diameter, which is exactly 4. So the diameter is 4. And we're going to need the radius to figure out the area of the circle. So the radius is going to be 2, which I think takes us back to the very first circle we did. Area of a circle is pi r squared. So we're going to use 3.14. We're going to use the radius that we just found, 2, and we're going to square it. All right, so 3.14 times 2 to the power of 2, 12.56. So the area of the circle is 12.56 kilometers squared. I like that question. We had to use the circumference to find the diameter. We had to use the diameter to find the radius, and then we used the radius to find the area of the circle. That's a good question right there. All right, area and circumference of circles. I hope this helped. Good luck.